It is so cold today. Please stop that noise. 5 more minutes, please. Look at the frost. My bed is too cozy. The house is silent. The snow is deep. I need hot tea. The stove is hot. The stove is hot. I like this red mug. This smells very good. The water is boiling. Swirl the spoon around. An apple for breakfast. I am slicing the fruit. My lunch is not yet. This chair is comfy. The sky is gray. I am a slow turtle. My hair is a mess. I must brush my teeth. Woo-hoo. Scrub, scrub, scrub. The towel is dry. This feels very nice. No more knots today. My bun is perfect. Yep. This is my favorite. These are very warm. Which story should I read? Not read. I love this book. Now I can see. This is a good story. Look at the little bird. I must feed the bird. These boots are strong. Now I am warm. The wind is strong. The snow is crunchy. Please eat your snack. The bird is hungry. The sun is coming. It is better inside. I like this music. Oh, honey. I am full now. Whew. Everything is in place. I am finally awake. This feels great. My heart is happy. I have a busy day. What should I do? It is Hugog Saturday. This is a good snack. Use the nutcracker. The fire is warm. Be careful with fire. I can see better now. Time to be active. The house. What should I cook? I love pasta. Always wash your hands. The snow is melting. My home is safe. I love my morning. I love my family. Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye, everyone.